Hello, Servus, Claudia speaking. Today I would like to share a little journal I've made. I have used the Sizzix Eileen Hull wrap journal die and some very heavy cardstock. And I have also found some little notebooks in a paper shop that fit just perfectly, as you can see. And I will use a black elastic string for binding the book once I have made the covers in and outsides. You see, the cardboard is really sturdy. I think it's a 1.5 millimeter thick greyboard. I think that's what the die can do, but that's really the limit. I have already cut the stenciled and Gelli printed papers to size, as you can see, and now I'm checking the fit on the outsides and then on the insides. As you can also see, I have painted the spines with black acrylic paint from DecoArt, and I will also use DecoArt matte decoupage and a soft brush and a bone folder for gluing on the cut to size papers. It's always good to recheck where your papers will have to go, just in case you will flip one accidentally, as you will find I've managed to do. Once the project is finished, I found that I did the one. Here I just discovered that I'd rather start with covering the insides of the journal, just in case I would smudge some glue to the front, and if the papers had already been there, that wouldn't have looked too good. But now that's the inside I will cover, and I will just use the decoupage quite generously, because you want a lot of liquid glue so you can still move the papers around once you have placed them on your cover, on your journal. You can see I just put it there, and I don't worry too much about having too much excess glue, because I will seal the journal in the end anyway. I flip the book to the other side just to check if the glued on paper sits accordingly, and you can see as the glue was still wet I could readjust it easily. Once I found the right position, I just rubbed and then I used the bone folder to especially get down those edges, because these really need to be glued down properly, otherwise they could easily come off during use of the journal, and I really wanted to make this one very sturdy and easily to carry along. So if you put it in your pocket and the pages will come off, that's not a good thing to have them come off. Now I just share a bit of the sealing process. As you can see, I have a water-loaded brush and use the water in the brush to liquid down the decoupage so I can seal the whole cover. You have to especially get that glue on all the thin edges of the cover. That will also help get those papers from being torn off around the edges. You should pay attention to not touch those areas where you have already applied the glue, otherwise you will stick your fingers to it and they may peel off some of the paper, and that would damage the journal. It looks quite glossy at the moment, but that's not a problem, because the decoupage is a matte version and will dry matte. But you could also use some glossy version of any decoupage glue you have. Just let it sit and that's it. Please read the project post to see how I've done the finishing steps. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.